Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today a little bit of tech news concerning Google and the Google Chrome browser. So a change that some aren't totally happy about that is coming in the Google Chrome browser is considering that they will cache every web page that you visit locally. Now, this is already done. When you go to a website, there is a browser cache. And the reason for the cache is simple. When you store a web page locally, it actually is faster for the browser to get the same web page when you go back. If things haven't changed much, it doesn't have to reload the full page. And that's why I always tell everybody it's a bad idea when you erase all the cache all the time, every time you go browsing, because it actually slows down your browsing. But some people do it. Some people do it for, privacy reasons and so on. But one of the things that actually happens on a web page is that there exists a code that can be sent to the browser to say this page should not be cached. And what happens is that the browser obeys the rule and does not actually keep a local copy of that page. Now, Google wants to ignore that request because they say the caching of web pages makes them so much faster than not caching that it actually should be that you cache everything all the time. So two problems arise from this. Actually, Opera, somebody from Opera actually mentioned that, isn't that kind of a breach of privacy in a way, because every developer of web pages that do request that the page should not be cached will now be ignored, which means it's kind of a break of the rules. And also, there's the risk that maybe sensitive data could be cached sometimes. So there's, kind of a lot of developers and a lot of people that are saying, well, not sure it's a good idea. Maybe we should keep the rules the way they are. The researcher at Google does say that it's purely in the interest of just making web pages load faster. But as you see, there's also a compromise in possible privacy and, of course, break of rules by ignoring a request to not cache. So this is going to be interesting to see if Google actually will implement this in the Google Chrome browser in the near future. It's not there for now, but it's an idea that they have that maybe in 2024 at some point they could actually change the rules. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.